Hello everyone, welcome to another Airtable tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple form in Airtable, just like you would create on Google Forms, just within Airtable. So as you can see, we're here on Airtable. First of all, what you will need to do is you will need to go here to form, go to create a form, click here. Here, you just need to name the form, who can edit, whether it's collaborative or personal. This will be personal, and only I can edit the configuration, and then I can share this with anyone that I want. So click create new view, and as you can see, this is the form, right? You can add a cover image here, right? Obviously I need to go with Plus or Pro because I'm in free trial. I can add a logo as well. I need to have Plus or Pro. I can add form name, a description of the form, and then name, notes, assignee, status, subtasks, and stuff like that. As you can see, I can collect responded email addresses automatically. I can allow people to request copy of their responses, show Airtable branding if I want, but if I don't want, I can turn it off. And again, I will need to use at least a plus plan for this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can also go here to, as you can see, subtasks. For example, I can go here and I can delete the field if I want, right? And I can add fields if I want right here. Add field to this table. If I want, I can add a field, long text field, checkbox, multiple select, single select, user, phone number, email, whatever I want. It's a really powerful tool, for forms. Yeah, if you want, you can also obviously share this form, right? We can share this form. We can restrict it, access with password, restrict access to an email domain, or stop accepting new responses right here. As you can see, we can also embed this on our site, which is awesome. You can also click open form to see how this form will look like for other people when they are trying to go and fill out the form. As you can see, this is how it will look like. You can also remove the Airtable branding, as I said right here. Yeah, other than that, you can you can see here, you can say email me at myemail.com, show a new blank form after 5 seconds. You can do that, and yeah, once you're finished, you can just go here, rename the form, duplicate the form, or share the form with other people. So that's pretty much how to create a form in Airtable. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.